Today, everyone is interconnected through the internet, making the need for online safety more important than ever. The internet, if used correctly and carefully, is one of the most powerful, beautiful, and useful tools one can have. However, at the same time, it can be an extremely destructive instrument. In the past 10 years, there has been a 10,000% increase in online abuse. This seems to be increasing every day. Let us look at the various challenges that we face while using the internet on a day-to-day basis. Refrain from posting information online that reveals your location, phone, address, school relations, or anything that will help someone learn about you. The photos you take may have GPS locations, vehicle numbers, and other types of information that should not be made public. Make sure you keep this to the minimum. During the pandemic, online gaming has increased immensely, so it is important for us to keep in mind not to reveal personal information through games. While you are online, do not click on the pop-up ads that lure you into chat rooms, which are mostly gateways that contain explicit adult content. Do not share hate-inducing posts. It not only wrecks beautiful relationships, but also adds to hate and negativity in your life. A study found that a majority of teens, almost 59% of them, experience some form of cyberbullying. Online bullying is a grave offense that could lead to harmful consequences, such as the victims taking their lives, leaving the bully having to face criminal action. Upon asking children, it was found that a majority of them prefer turning to peer-to-peer support to see them out of cyberbullying. Only then do they turn to parents or authorities. Reassure the child and support them. If your child seems worried online, reach out to them. Reach out to authorities if you need further support. Never scroll through social media when you're feeling low. Generally, we like looking into other people's lives. What car do they buy? Tours they went on, and the fun they had, isn't it? Social media actually acts as a window to other people's life. People wear what is known as a social mask, a mask that filters all their sad moments and showcases only the best. So remember, what you see in social media may not always be true. Your life should never be defined by likes and shares online. Also remember that these likes and shares are also generated by payments. Some relationships, as good as they may have been, can turn sour due to incompatibility. In a lot of cases where one partner can't accept the end of a relationship, it may turn toxic. The partner may use the photographs and videos that have been shared with each other to threaten and blackmail, to gain something, and in a lot of ways for revenge. Revenge pornography is one of the leading online issues we face today. 1 in 3 are victims of revenge porn or image-based sexual abuse. Never give in to the threats or blackmail. The person hiding behind a gadget and trying to scare you is a coward. Break the cycle of fear. Warn them that you will report to law enforcement. Collect all evidence, save all messages, and inform the police. Police and organizations deal with it very confidentially. There is no need to fear. The moment you break free of that fear, the perpetrator loses their control over you. If your friend has a relationship with someone and sends their compromising photographs and gets blackmailed after that, would you judge them or be there to support them? Thousands of children and adults are emotionally manipulated and trapped in this. It's not their fault. Be with them and help them get over this. They need your support. As many as 93.2% of the boys and 62.1% of the girls first see porn before they turn 18. The number of children getting addicted to pornography is increasing. Influenced by pornography, some children may be curious to experiment with their sexual behavior out of impulse. If you don't keep a close watch on your children and the content they consume, you put them at the risk of imitating what they might have seen. Pornography is a fake, unrealistic, and an inaccurate representation of sex. It changes the brain's neural network similarly to what we observe in alcohol and narcotic addictions. Healthy sexuality, intimacy, and the development of deeply personal relationship are things that happen naturally. Therefore, it's important to break the addiction before it takes control of your life. Seek professional help if needed. It really helps. The internet can be used safely and securely. Make sure you're vigilant and take measures to secure your privacy online. Remember to reach out and get help. Never conclude that it's your fault. The internet is a beautiful space. Make the most of it with these safety rules.